Carve out. Halloween is around the corner. Yeah, it's time to get some pumpkins. Let's make the scariest faces this year. Carving out pumpkins is my favorite Halloween tradition. Time to carve out pumpkins for Halloween. To remove the interior with a knife, often for pumpkins. The sculptor carefully carved out the details of the statue, bringing it to life. The children carved out funny faces in their pumpkins for Halloween. We carved out a small garden space in our backyard.
Hey everyone, it's me, John. Yep, same guy. If you want to improve your phrasal verb vocabulary or study with me privately, the links are in the description.